so yeah, so this is my hair. I parted it like half up, half down just to deal with it. And so now what we're gonna do is we're going to figure out a way to cut it. So I think what I'm gonna start by doing is just sectioning it and dealing with it that way. Okay, so I've got I've got 2 different products that I'm gonna use. So this is the first one. I've got this here, and this is the Blueberry Bliss Restorative or Reparative Hair Mask. I'm not gonna rinse this out. I usually just put this in my hair and leave it in my hair, so that's what I'm gonna do with this. And then I've also got the One and Only Argan Oil 12-in-1 Daily Treatment. So this just has like a bunch of good stuff in it to help with hair growth and just keeping your hair healthy. So I'm gonna use this as well. So yeah, and then I've also got my denim brush. So I'm gonna use this too. And I've got scissors. These are just like regular like paper cutting scissors. I don't really care to be quite honest. Anyway, so yeah, hopefully you can, see what I'm doing. I'll try like not to like lift my arm too much, but so what I'm trying to do is just like figure out where the gross parts of my hair are. And I've actually already like trimmed the back previously because I was gonna do this a while ago, but I just didn't, so yeah. And this is all of my hair that I cut off. It was just, it's nasty, it's gross, it had to go. Like there are pieces that are just straight. There are pieces that started off straight and then ended curly. And as you can see, it's just pointless to keep this. Like, what is this? You see this? It started off straight and then it got curly. Like, why? Just throw the whole thing away. Yeah, so that's my hair. It's all gone. Bye. So I've cut all of my hair. Actually, I like this. It's cute. Anyway, so what I'm gonna do is, normally I would leave the hair mask in my hair and just like leave it there as if it were like a leave-in conditioner. But since there is like a ton of product in my hair, I am going to rinse it out and also wash my hair, because I'm pretty sure there's probably like little bits and pieces of hair still lingering around in there that I need to wash out. So yeah, that's what I'll do. After a little while, I'm just going to leave the mask in my hair for a little while longer, and then I'll rinse it out, style it, and all that stuff. So yeah. So here we are. I just washed and conditioned. No, I didn't condition, but I did wash my hair. So now I'm gonna try to make it look nice. So I think what I'm going to attempt to do here. Okay. So I've already put a few things in my hair. I put the 12-in-1 treatment in my hair again. I also put olive oil in my hair as well. And I also put an extra dark Jamaican black castor oil. Also put that in there. I don't know, just whatever. And so now I'm gonna do is take Eco Styler gel. I haven't used Eco Styler gel in my hair in like forever. Like I usually don't, just because my hair is never out. But today I just feel like my hair sort of needs a breather, so I'm gonna wear it out today. And I'm just gonna take the Eco Styler gel and just pretty much put it on my hair. And I didn't mention it, but the Eco Styler gel that I have is the Argan Oil Eco Styler gel. It looks like this. And yeah, so just putting that in my hair and then using my Denman brush again to smooth everything out. Okay, so now that's all done, I'm just gonna go around and try to fix my edges really fast. And yeah. now I'm just gonna go around and like bobby pin my hair. I don't have like a headband, so bobby pins I'm just gonna have to do today. So now that that's done, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab my blow dryer and just sort of like diffuse my hair so that it's not like wet. And then